Okay, it's December 30th and it's approximately 1:45 in the afternoon. We're in Dunnville at the bridge, checking the flow of the water, the big flood as it's coming down past the dam. That's a lot of water. Flooding on the opposite side of the shore. Right now we're looking towards its destination, which is Lake Erie, Port Maitland. Surprisingly, in the distance you can see the windmills at Lowbanks before it angles towards Lake Erie.